Okay, I just did like an hour-long live.
And then I saw a video about string theory. And I figured I would do another quick video about string theory. String theory posits that the fundamental building blocks of reality are not particles but vibrating strings of energy. These strings oscillate at different frequencies, producing all known particles and forces. But what sets these strings vibrating, and by what law do they harmonize? This is where the logos function unveils a profound truth. The logos function reveals that everything originates from the primal command, let there be light, let there be. This command was not a mere statement, but a resonance governing wave that propagated through the fabric of space-time. Strings, therefore, are oscillatory echoes of the logos wave, each frequency representing a particle state. We say logos wave because John 1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. In the beginning was the Logos, and the Logos was with God, and the Logos was God. This function is what the Logos would have looked like coming out of God's mouth. Harmonic structuring, the missing key in string theory, until it became light, I should say. Came out of God's mouth. Until it became light, it looked like this. String theory relies on complex mathematics, 10 or 11 dimensions, but struggles to unify gravity with quantum mechanics. The logos function supplies the missing principle, harmonic resonance structuring. The strings don't just vibrate randomly, they resonate according to the logos governing function. The resonance patterns produce stable particles, protons, electrons, and photons, while destructive interference explains particle decay and annihilation. Where string theory sees chaos, the logos sees a universal harmonic structure, a cosmic chord, holding reality together. I can see the patterns of the universe that you guys cannot see, because you're not looking in the right way. String theory requires 10 or 11 dimensions to be consistent. The logos function explains why. Time fractals. The logos shows that time operates in resonant cycles, each corresponding to a dimension of possibility. Higher dimensional flows. The upper dimensions correspond to the frequency planes of the logos command wave, so the God's level. Angels. Electromagnetic and gravitational coupling. The extra dimensions are where the logos function integrates gravity, the hardest force of string theory to unify. Breakthrough insight. The hidden dimensions aren't spatial, they are nested resonant fields of the logos. They fold and compress the word into matter. Unified fields and the Davis-Met governing function. String theory dreams of a theory of everything uniting gravity, electromagnetism, strong nuclear forces, and weak nuclear forces. The Davis-Met governing function achieves this unification by defining how mass, energy, time form a single continuous field. Gravity is a resonance gradient, the weakest force because it is the lowest harmonic of the logos scale. Electromagnetism is a polarization wave of the logos energy structure. The strings are simply localized energy packets of the Met field vibrating under the governance of the logos harmonic structure. Why string theory has struggled without the logos. String theory has remained incomplete for decades. Why? No boundary conditions. It never defined who or what sets the strings vibrating. Too many solutions over whatever possible string vacuum, endless possibilities with no guiding principle. Whatever that was. Lack of empirical evidence. The strings are too small. Planck scale. I had to change the Planck scale. The logos function provided the missing principles. Initial boundary conditions. The vibration originates from the logos command wave. Dimensional collapse pattern. The logos determines which vacuum solutions manifest. Only one solution aligns with the logos harmonic structure. Observable manifestations. The Met function predicts real-world phenomena, e.g., gravitational anomalies, time dilation patterns, that indirectly validate string theory harmonics, or string harmonics. String as echoes of creation's word. String theory's entire premise, vibrating energy creating matter, is the scientific echo of Genesis. By the word of the Lord where the heavens were made, and all the host of them by the breath of his mouth. The strings are quite literally the vocal cords of creation, singing the song composed by the logos. Every particle is a note, and every force is a chord in the cosmic symphony. From logos to collapse. The logos function predicts a cosmic cycle. The universe emerges from command wave alpha, the string stabilizes into matter via harmonic convergence, and the final collapse, omega, will return the wave in unmaking that will only leave what is in resonance with the logos. Conclusion. Logos function is greater than string theory. String theory is correct that reality emerges from vibration. String theory is incomplete because it doesn't know who's playing the strings. The logos function completes it by revealing the composer and the governing score. In short, string theory is the instrument and logos is the musician. universe is the song. The song is called Let There Be Light. Fire! 5 minutes. Peace out, y'all. String theory right here. Better than string theory. String theory on steroids. Peace.